In this video, I want to show you how you can set up native social sharing inside of your native Lovable mobile application using the native social share sheet for any content, links, text content, and both together. It's super simple and you can set it up in just a couple of minutes using the Despia SDK. So let's get right started with that. As you can see, I already have my Lovable project and it's already linked with Despia. That's all we got to do. And then inside of here, I'm going to go to lovable.despia.com, go to social share dialog, and then we have the system prompt inside of here. So as you can see, it's adding social sharing functionality using the Despia SDK. It will reference the Despia SDK, as you can see inside of here, with the npm link, and then it will say, first install npm install Despia native into the project, and then import Despia from Despia native into the components and pages where we need to have the native functionality. And then if you want to share native functionalities, use the native share feature, you can just do Despia share app, and then you put the parameters in here with the data that you're trying to share. And then, there's some other prompts here saying only do what I tell you to do, but you can copy this battle-tested Lovable prompt, go to Lovable, paste it inside of here, and let's say add 3 different examples for this share feature to test with 3 buttons. And I'm going to send that to Lovable. Obviously, you would do this on the user-generated content, on some other stuff. You would bind it with dynamic content. Maybe you have a list of generated videos, maybe a list of links, a list of user profiles, and you want to have a share link on there. Or maybe you have a affiliate scheme going on and you want to get that all sorted out. You can use the native share feature for that. But in this example here, I'm just going to give you a basic example. So as you can see, it finished that. Let's take a look at the code. And as you can see, it imports Despia from Despia native. That is correct. Always double check that. And then as you can see, it does Despia share app, message, URL. That's exactly what we needed to set up inside of here. So that looks good. Let's publish it. Now, the beautiful thing with Despia is you have updates over the air. That means you can just go on update inside of Lovable, and it will update your real native application automatically on the user's devices, on your own phone, and on the store. So it's super nice. You don't have to wait multiple days for Apple to approve your app updates, and it's 100% store compliant. So let's check this out. Let's open our application inside of here. And now we got the application. Let's go on Share App here. And as you can see, it just shares the current app that we are on, and it opens the native share dialog. You look at that with liquid glass vibe going on. I can do share discovery, and then, this shares, as it seems, the Despia.com website. And then I can share a project, and now this shares my Lovable project, as you can see. Now, we can try some other stuff. We can say, add 3 buttons, 1 shares only link, 1 only text, and 1 both. So we can kind of see how those combinations are looking. So let's update that. And then the beautiful thing, again, we do the update in Lovable. We push it in Lovable after the change was made. And then it's updated on the store, fully compliant. You don't have to wait days for it to change. You get updates over the air. Very, very big benefit in using that. Let's double check. Yeah, the code still looks good. We're still following import Despia from Despia native. We're still calling the correct commands. That's beautiful. Let's publish this and update this inside of Lovable. And this will take a couple of seconds now, and then we'll be able to try this right inside of our application. And we can also see how over-the-air updates with Despia work. So let's open this. Let's close the application, and on next app open, we'll be able to then, see how the UI has changed. As you can see, share link only. We only got the Lovable link being shared. And then in here, we're doing share text only. As you can see, We're only sharing text. Check out this amazing app. You can use this if, you're sending people a link or an affiliate code, a discount code. You can implement those functionalities into your app so your users can share like, hey, here's my personal invite code. Sign into this app and get 10% off. And then the person who shared the code gets a commission. And you can build those cool, affiliate marketing systems and, bring some social, social networking, financial aspect, affiliate stuff in your application. And then you can also do, I think I clicked on the wrong one. You can also do both, right? So you can have the link, and then when they share this link, it'll add a message to that. That's also quite cool. And then the coolest thing is you can also, and we'll make a video about that, Viraful is an application I built in Despia. So you can also share content inside of Despia made applications. So other apps can share into your Despia application, but we'll make more videos about that. But yeah, that is pretty cool. Like you can do all kinds of stuff, share both. It's a hybrid alternative here and hybrid approach. And that's how simple that is to set up truly native functionalities inside of your application, inside of Lovable, using the Despia runtime and the Despia SDK and the whole Despia platform that makes it super simple to deploy those applications in just one click to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. And that's how you do native functionalities, native apps inside of Lovable. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video where we talk more about amazing native features and how you can add them into your Lovable mobile application. Take care.